Marvin Storrow is my name, and I have been a lawyer since 1963, practiced law primarily in Vancouver. I have a wonderful wife, wonderful sons, and wonderful family generally. In my spare time, I play a lot of competitive tennis. I have to admit that I play it in slow motion now, but I have played in many, many tennis tournaments. I thoroughly enjoyed being a student. I was on the law school football team as the quarterback, if you can believe it. Have been going to court now for just under 50 years on a very regular basis, and some of the cases that have given me some reputation are the cases I've done for First Nations. I've been very honored to have been asked to represent First Nations, and I've taken 5 or 6 of their cases to the Supreme Court of Canada, and most of them, the First Nations involved, were very successful. I was brought up in the East End of Vancouver, and in a very nice family area, but none of us were very wealthy. I saw lots of people who suffered economically and in many other ways. I'm not sure why I have this feeling that people who are perhaps less fortunate need our support more than we usually give it to them. As lawyers, we have to appreciate the fact we don't practice law as of right. We're given permission to practice by the public generally through our statute. Since we've been given that right, we have to try to give something back to the community and to our justice system. But I think if there's one thing that good lawyers have, it's judgment. And in my opinion, roughly 80% of what we do involves judgment. Most of it, at least, doesn't involve a lot of scholarship every day. It requires you to understand human beings and sometimes quite a bit of wisdom, I think.